Back in October, we were given a giant pumpkin. We were thinking, what can we do with it? So, let's blow it up. We got some Tannerite, and for those who don't know, Tannerite is a non-binary explosive. You have to mix two chemicals together or else you don't get the boom. It's a combination of oxidizers and a fuel, primarily aluminum powder. It's also non-flammable.
Got it up there? Good spot? That's probably good. Alright, let's do this thing. Fucking do it. Jackson.
As you can see, the attempt on the pumpkin was cool, but not what we wanted. We didn't have the pressurized environment for it as it was in a bag and not a sealed container. Then, this broken fridge came into our lives, and we all knew what we had to do, so here are the results.
Jack's gonna fucking take it.
Oh, for sure.
Washer. Me a new washer.
Don't miss!
Okay.
Yay!
Hopefully.
Oh! Alright. Let's pack it up, boys. Holy!
Hopefully.
This is the bottom. This is the bottom, and it peeled the sides open.
Holy shit.
Rest of the fridge.
There's the door.
What are the doors?
Where's the big door?
Is that what?
It's in the fucking bushes right there. I think that's it.
That's the little
Oh
door.
no, that's a bucket. That's not even a door. Where's the big door?
I don't know.